Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide Discord servers. First of all, open up the Discord mobile application. Open your Discord mobile application and make sure that you're logged into your account on which you want to hide your server. Go back from here and come to this page. If you want to hide this server, click at the top right where the three dots are, scroll down, and as you can see, you should be able to find hide muted channels. Just turn it on and mute those channels. Otherwise, what you can do is go to the settings and go to the members and make them hidden. There is no such option of hiding those servers without using a PC. So make sure that if you don't have this, just go to the web browser and in the PC mode search for Discord, and from there do the same things and you should be able to find hide server. They're gonna ask you how much time you want to hide it. Go for until I change it, and after that your server will be hidden on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.